Welcome to our channel Infinite Learning. Today I will tell you that how to use China rose as indicator. For making China rose indicator, we must to know what is indicator and what is the use of indicator. So indicator, it is the special type of substance used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. Acid. Some substance is so because they contain acid. The chemical nature of such substance is acidic. This substance which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching are known as basic. The nature of such substance is said to be basic. Now let's start the China rose indicator. You need 3 or 4 China rose. Now heat this water. Now it is boiled completely. Take China rose and throw it in the hot water. After 20 minutes, it become colored. Separate the metals. Now our solution is ready and indicator is ready to use. This is China rose indicator and these are the solutions. This is basic solutions, detergent, soapy water and baking soda. And these are acidic solutions, grapes, lemon and vinegar. We have to add few drops of China rose indicator in all solutions. China rose indicator turns acidic solution to dark pink and basic solutions to green. Therefore, these are turned into dark pink, so these are acidic solutions, and these are turned into dark green.